Hello, my dears. At times, coping with life can be very overwhelming and we simply want to give up. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us in the Holy Quran to never ever lose hope. In chapter 39, verse number 53, He says, "Do not despair of the mercy of Allah." Similarly, in chapter 94, verse number 6, He promises that with every hardship comes ease. You see, every storm is followed by a clear blue sky, and every dark night is followed by a beautiful bright morning. After every winter, there is spring, and after every test, there is a reward. The harsher the test, the higher the reward. So if you are feeling lost or simply broken today, remember that you can't give up on life just as yet, as life hasn't given up on you yet. Yesterday you survived, and today you must thrive. So tomorrow you can rise with new hope in your eyes. Assalamu alaikum.